Hi friends, I welcome you to another exciting video of Figma prototyping, and in this video I will show you how to prototype carousel using Figma component. I'm going to import a frame. Let me use Android large. I'm going to be quick about this. I'm going to apply a layer grid, columns grid. Alright, so I can just duplicate this. I want to speed this up, so I'm going to have my time. So I'm going to search for a signal. I'm going to darken this. So here I'll have buttons, so I can have this one. First one can be all. I'm going to increase this to 12. So let me add auto layout to this. Let me centralize this. Let me add another auto layout. So I'm going to duplicate this. Is placed vertically, so I'm going to change this to horizontal. Okay, can just make the spacing 4. Can also have something like exhibition. Alright. So I'm going to have things like Lamborghini. We have maybe names of cars. This one can be artworks, maybe sculpture and all that. And I'll have maybe images of cars here. Okay, so and reduce this to 12. let me hide this, so I can just choose my colors. I can use something like maybe cyan and maybe magenta or something like pink or somewhat. Okay, so let me use can use something like so can use this. Can use this. All right. So I can use no buy for my font. So I can now apply my color. So for this, I'm going to give this. Let me import images from Unsplash. So let me go to Unsplash. Look for Guinea. Okay, I think this one. Just bring this out. Alright. So let me go back to Unsplash. Let me look for, let's say, sculpture. Okay, let me use this. So let me duplicate this. I just want maybe 3 images sliding on the screen. So okay, let me look for artwork. Okay, so let me use these 3 artworks. These ones here. So what I'm going to do now is I have these 3 images that will be sliding, but for these to have a complete cycle, I need to duplicate this again just to complete the cycle. So I'm going to highlight all, and I'm going to add auto layout and ensure they are at the center. So that's fine. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to import a frame. So let me use Android small. So the essence is because this will be of the same width as this. So I'm going to, because I'll be placing these in here, so I want to ensure, yes, all right. So I'm going to drag these out. So I'm going to take this in here and ensure it's at the center. Excuse me. I'm going to move this. Alright. So I'm going to select this and press K on my keyboard and drag. Alright, so I'm going to ensure, excuse me. So I'm going to change this. These auto layouts, it should be 12 because the spacing between these and these is actually 12. Alright, so I can now convert this into a component and add a variant. Alright, so I'm going to select this and I'm going to drag this here. Alright, so I'm going to select this and I'm going to scale this down. Alright, so I'm going to select this very one. I'm going to drag. Alright, so I'm also going to change this to select. I'm going to add another variant. Alright, let me select the frame and I'm going to move this. Alright, I'm going to select these and I'm going to scale these down. Alright, so I'm going to select this and I'm going to expand this. Alright, that's fine. So also going to add another variant. So I'm going to move this. Alright, so I'm going to press K on my keyboard. Excuse me. I'm going to select this and I'll press K on my keyboard. Alright, so I'm also going to select this and then press K. Press K and drag. Alright, so let me now prototype this. So I'll go to prototype I'm going to drag this from here to here. I will say after delay. So this, let me make it 2 seconds, 2000 milliseconds. Smart animate, let it be linear, so 500 milliseconds. So from here it goes to this after delay, 2000 milliseconds. Same thing. From here it goes to this after delay, 2000 milliseconds. All right. So from here, because this one matches this one, so it has to be instant, so it goes back to this after delay. So let me make it 1 millisecond, so it will be fast, so instant. All right. So what I'm going to do now is I'll go to assets and I'll drag this here. Alright, and go back to, alright, that's fine. Let me delete this. Okay, so let me present this to see if that will work fine. Let me present this now. As you can see, it's actually working very fine. Alright friends, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.